students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 1, number systems, exercise 1.1, question number 3. The question is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We know that the rational number is given by P by Q, where P and Q both should be integers. And again, one more condition is that Q it is not equal to 0. So what do you mean by integer? So integer, it may be a positive integer like 1, 2, 3, or negative integer like -1, -2, -3, or 0. So P can take either positive value or negative value or 0. Q can take positive value or negative value. Q should not be equal to 0. So this is the condition for the rational number. So they are asking to find the rational number between these two numbers, that is between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. What are all the rational numbers? So when we see the denominator, here also 5, here also 5. And then coming to the numerator, after 3 itself it becomes 4. Then it will be difficult to find out the values in between these two values. So what we need to do means we need to multiply by some number in both numerator and denominator. So that is what we are going to do. So for example, if it is a decimal number, right, decimal point number, then it is easy for us to find out. For example, if they ask to find out the value between 3 and 4, you can say that it is 3.1, 3.2, like that you can easily say. But since it is a rational number, we need to mention in the format of P by Q. That too, the next number of 3, it is 4. So what we have to do means we have to multiply by some value in both numerator and denominator. So what is that value? For that, we need to first find out how many rational numbers we need to find out. So here they have mentioned that it is 5 rational numbers. So we need to take it as 5 plus 1, which is nothing but 6. So at least by 6 we need to multiply both numerator and denominator of the given number. So let me take the first number, that is 3 by 5, multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. So what happened? 3 into 6 it is 18, 5 into 6 it is 30. So similarly we need to do for here 4 by 5 also. So for 4 by 5, again we need to multiply by 6 in both numerator and denominator. Why we are multiplying both in numerator and denominator? So that this and this get cancelled. Actual value it is 4 by 5 remains same. So 4 into 6 it is 24 and 5 into 6 it is 30. So now, so 3 by 5 it becomes 18 by 30 and 4 by 5 it becomes 24 by 30. So what is the number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5? Just we need to find out the number between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, which is nothing but the numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So after 13 by 30, what is the next number? It is 19 by 30. Denominator remains same, 30 remains same. So after 19, what is the number? 20. Then 21 by 30. Then 22 by 30. Then 23 by 30. Okay, so the next number is 24 by 30. So between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, we have determined 5 rational numbers. So these are all the 5 rational numbers. Okay. So whether we need to multiply only by 6, is it so? It is not like that. So either, that is 5 plus 1, it is nothing but 6. So greater than or equal to 6, we can use any number and we can multiply both numerator and denominator. So for example, for very simple calculation, right? So here when we multiply by 6, we need to multiply and write all the values. For easy manner, right? For easy manner, what we can do means just multiply by 10, both in the numerator and denominator. So 4 by 5 multiply 10, both in the numerator and denominator, which will be easy for us the calculation. So either you can go with that method or this method. So what is the answer for this? 3 into 10, 30, 5 into 10, it is 50. So easily we can multiply. 4 into 10, it is 40, 5 into 10, it is 50. So here in excess we have some more numbers. We can leave that, but we require only 5 rational numbers. So what are all the 5 rational numbers, that alone we can write and we can skip the other numbers. So after 30, what are all the other numbers? 31 by 50, then 32 by 50, then 33 by 50, then 34 by 50, then 35 by 50. Even we have 36 by 50, 37 by 50, 38 by 50, 39 by 50, but we don't want those numbers. Why? Because they are asking to find only what? 5 rational numbers. Okay, so these are all the 5 rational numbers which is lying between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So for one question you have multiple answer, and again it is whether it is necessary only to multiply by 10, it is not so. You can multiply by 7, you can multiply by 8, you can multiply by 11, you can multiply by 15. Okay, so in general whenever you need to find out 9 rational numbers, okay, then you can multiply by 10 both in the numerator and denominator. If it is greater than 9, that is up to 10 to 19, then you can multiply by 20 by 20. So like that you can improvise your values and you can multiply. Or in general, how many number of values they are asking to find out, in that number plus 1 you can multiply in both numerator and denominator. So whatever the value, it is easy for you for the computation, that value you can multiply. The only the condition is, if it is 5, at least 5 plus 1, the number what you are going to multiply, it should be greater than or equal to the given number plus 1. Okay, that is the condition. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.